Grab the switch again, please.
Oh, I have the thing.
Thank you, baby doll. Well, that's on forward, so I know those two work. The one relay on this side has got to work. Press it down. Okay, it's a little delay in there. It kind of concerns me a little bit. There we go. Let it go. Okay. Do me a favor. Press it down. Okay, I'm going to remove the two sensors. Okay, hold it down. Did it shut up on its own that time?
Yeah.
Keep holding it. It should burn out. Okay, you can let it up. Press again. Okay. Okay, you can let it go. Yeah, if those two bulbs are ever separated or something comes between it, it cuts off the infrared. I'm thinking it's infrared or some kind of electromagnetic response link in it. When it cuts it in two or completely discontinues it, it works. And I'm thinking, okay. Now I'm thinking, just like we did before, we're going to hold it down, okay? Hold on, let it up. Don't press the switch yet. Oh, it is? Well, I don't know what I'm talking about then. Press it. Whoever it is, going to have to wait. Yep. Just that relay right there. Let go. Okay. Press it one more time. It's clicking, but it's not getting a... Okay. Yeah. That's that relay.